My, now this is the best day ever. Even though the one thing I have to miss is the Mario Kart. But there's always next time. But next time if I go here, like for the third time, I'm gonna get to the Mario Kart. Then I'll reunite with my friends, Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Gang, and more. Of course, my Uncle Woody will be so proud of me when he hears about this. Huh? Is that Easter find? Excuse me, can I do? I found her. Awesome. Okay, my turn. Right after them. This is so crowded. Wow, that little girl got adult Peach. All I got is baby Peach here. Sorry. Oh, I didn't know it's your turn. I didn't know it's your turn, sorry. So I was saying, sorry, I thought it was my turn since I'm in line. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Now, let's get out of here for now. We can come back for Mario Kart for another day. Come on.
Hi guys, so the exit will be back there, please. Exit back there.
Oh, the exit? Where?
See those 3 mushrooms? Turn left.
Turn left. Okay. Whoops. That's what I mean. Clumsy mistake. 3 mushrooms, they say. Should be on the left. And now I'm gonna have to be the guide. So I can't let you follow my mistake. My clumsy mistake. Well, not exactly clumsy, but more than clumsy. I would say honest mistake. More than just clumsy. Sorry. Dang, this is overcrowded. Oh, and there's Mario Luigi. They're having a good time together. And I can't wait to see the Mario movie. Okay, that's the 3 mushroom. That's a good hint. Exit should be the one on the left. Now, that'll reduce the overcrowding. My, what a nice exit car auto. A hallway. I don't know why it feels like a Nintendo Wonderland. Hey, what's this? Upon exiting, a new virtual line reservation will be required for re-entry. That's good to know. Now we're finally out. It's time for me to go home.
Give it a...
Excuse me. Judging by this area, yes, we're back to where we started earlier. I wonder how the others doing it. Anyway. Everybody seems fine right now. Next time I will go meet up with Scooby, the gang, Marilyn Monroe, the Beetlejuice, oops. And whatever you do, do not say his name for 2 more times. If you say 3 times in a row fast, without stop, you never know what's gonna happen to him. But it's gonna be bad news for him. So only say his name 1 time, but don't call him another time. Don't. In the meantime, I'm going home. It's sure lots of fun, and especially I'm able to meet up with Wario, Luigi, and Peach in person again. And it's the best day ever, and I end up saving Mushroom Kingdom from Bowser Jr. Of course, Bowser too. Bowser Jr.'s dad. And now I feel like I've become acclaimed hero of Mushroom Kingdom, along with Mario and Luigi. I hope one day I would love to go on an adventure with Mario and Luigi, so we can work together like a team. Especially we can fight Bowser together. Yeah! Oh, say, I better get to Pauline's. You know, the new Donk City. This is where Pauline is gonna sing Jump Up Superstar. I's gonna be there with Mario too. And I can't wait to dance. I gotta get ready about tonight. And I couldn't have fun without you. It's time for me to go. Thank you for watching, and thanks for joining me for fun in Super Nintendo World. Goodbye!
Festival, a celebration of the history of our city. And now, to get things started, her honor, Mayor